This is the machine vision camera field of view calculator, which determines the observable area your camera can capture at a specific working distance. Let's walk through the 4 input fields. First, enter your sensor width in millimeters. This is the horizontal dimension of your camera's image sensor. Next, input the sensor height in millimeters, the vertical dimension of your sensor. Third, specify the focal length in millimeters. This is the distance between your lens and the sensor when focused at infinity. Finally, enter the working distance in millimeters, the distance from your camera lens to the object you're imaging. Once you click Calculate Field of View, the calculator provides 3 critical outputs. The horizontal field of view tells you the width of the area your camera can see at your specified working distance. The vertical field of view shows the height of that observable area. The total area result gives you the complete rectangular region your camera will capture, which is essential for ensuring your entire inspection zone fits within frame. This tool eliminates manual calculations and helps you select the right lens for your machine vision application. Find the link in the description below.